SEALWAY's Silver RV Roof Tape stands out as a heavy-duty repair option that creates a truly watertight barrier on recreational vehicle and trailer roofs. The extra thick adhesive layer and reflective silver backing cling tightly to EPDM rubber, metal, vinyl, and fiberglass, giving a solid seal that feels secure under hand pressure. Its resistance to ultraviolet exposure and harsh weather means patches stay intact through prolonged sun, rain, and snow without turning brittle or peeling at the edges. The tape remains flexible enough to contour around skylights, vents, and seams, so it can bridge small cracks, gaps, and screw holes without lifting. Installation is straightforward with the peel and stick design, allowing you to cut what you need, press it down firmly, and get an effective repair without special tools or messy liquid sealants. For both emergency leak stops on the road and planned maintenance at home, this wide, long roll provides ample coverage and dependable protection that keeps interiors dry.